Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to embed a ConvertKit form into WordPress. Now, the first thing I want you to do is just launch up the ConvertKit form that you want to embed into WordPress, and then just come to the top right, click on embed, and from here choose HTML, then just copy this code. Okay, now we'll go to WordPress, and let's go ahead and create a new page. So I'll hover over here where it says new, and then just choose page. Okay. Now, once this loads up, we're going to create a code block and use HTML. So click on this plus icon and then just go ahead and search for HTML and just bring this in. Custom HTML. Just drag and drop this onto your page. So I'll drop this right here where it says write HTML. Just paste the code. And now you can go ahead and just preview this and you'll see that it has actually embedded it from ConvertKit. So that is how you embed ConvertKit form into WordPress.